What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for today's unboxing, unbagging, I don't know what we're calling it, but I ordered a bag from the Coach Outlet website and it arrived in this envelope. I'm very excited to get what's in here. It is a Willis. You guys know how much I love me a good Willis. And this one's very unique. You guys will see here in just a second. If you guys are new here, hello, I'm Ralph by Design. I do bag related content, usually Coach, here on my YouTube channel and over on my Instagram. Both are Ralph by Design. If that's something that you do enjoy, please consider subscribing here and following me on Instagram. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, here it is. Let's get it open. It just came in one of these envelopes. I'm not a big fan of these. This is from the Originals collection, but it is not from the States. It is the original collection collab that they did with the John Lewis department store in the UK. If you guys don't know John Lewis's department stores, they are high-end retail shops. They did a special collection with the John Lewis department stores. And once we get this open, you guys will see what's different about this Willis. So, one of the reasons I don't like these envelopes is when you open it, what they stuff it with is like, I guess like recycled cardboard and whatnot. And if you get a little tear in there, the stuff goes everywhere. The color, I'm a big fan of the color. Here it is, fully factory wrapped. Here it is, as you guys can see through the wrapping, a little peek there. It is a shade of yellow that I'm very fond of. It is flax. You guys know how much I love flax. When it comes to yellow tone, flax is my favorite. And I'm glad that Coach has brought back flax in many capacities. But this is actually from a previous collection. Let's get this open and then I'll talk about it a little bit more. I can just see the color through the side, you guys. That looks so pretty. Let's get this open. Lovely wrapping job. It's crazy that this is a older collection bag and it's still factory wrapped. Oop. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell what the difference is already with this one compared to most any other Willis out there. Here it is, fully unwrapped. I'm very happy about this bag. This is the Coach Originals Willis Top Handle 18, and this is in pebbled leather. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is pebbled leather. I have never ever seen a Willis before in pebbled leather. They've always been smooth leather. And the second that I seen this, even though I already have a flax Willis from the 1941 collection, I had to have this because I really love the smooth leather. But for everyday wear and tear, pebbled leather, you really just can't beat it. You still feel and love the thick leather. Compared to like, say, like a coated leather, like cross grain, Saffiano, stuff like that. This gives you way more durability than smooth leather. And this is gonna age so well and delicious. And this color is gorgeous. This is flax, and you guys know that this is my favorite shade of yellow that Coach makes. So like I said, I already own a flax Willis Top Handle 18, but it is from the 1941 collection, so there is some differences. This one is in the smooth leather, and it also has burnishing that goes around the edges. So it's ever so slightly darker around the edges there. And this does have the gunmetal hardware here compared to this Willis, which is the pebbled leather. It has the brass hardware and no burnishings. So I absolutely love the size. I love the color, but if you guys can see a subtle difference between the two, the color of the hardware and the type of leather really does make a big difference in how the color is accepted into the leather and what it looks like afterwards. There is definitely a lot bigger difference in person than there is with this lighting here, and I absolutely love it. So I can justify keeping both, and plus for what I paid for this, just like a little over $100 from the outlet website, you can't beat it. Plus being a UK exclusive, it makes it a little bit rare here in the States, so that You know, you guys know me, anything that's rare, anything that's uncommon, I do love. And it being pebbled leather, it's gonna be so much more durable. When I do wear this, I am very careful with it. I do not want to scratch that smooth love tan leather. And this having the gunmetal hardware, it does chip a little easier. So this is gonna make this so much more of an effortless carry. It does have the brass hardware and it is pebbled leather. So it is a lot more durable. It is the same setup as your previous Willis. This is from the Originals collection. So it's gonna have the same kind of vibe. So it's gonna have the back pocket there. A difference between, since we're here and we have the 1941 version is, so this is the newer version from the original collection. This is more like the original Willis that they had. One of the big differences is that this actually just has edge coating that goes around the edges. So it's just the leather that's underneath it. And then they paint over it. It does look really pretty. It looks really nice. The only issue is that it can scratch off and it can get damaged, and then you're stuck with just seeing the leather underneath. Compared to this one, which is more like the true original Willis, actually has the leather binding that goes all around the edges. The edges are finished with leather wrapped all around there. To me, it's just more high quality feeling and like a proper finish that goes all around the edges. Let me give you guys a style number here, just in case if you can find this. This is 5888. And like I said, this is the pebbled leather Willis top handle 18 from the John Lewis exclusive collection that they had in their department stores in the UK. I absolutely love it. Another difference with this original collection Willis is that on the inside, it's a little bit different layout. So it still has your front slip pocket and the middle slip pocket, but the 1941 version actually just has a slip pocket in the back, but this one actually has a zippered pocket in there. I actually really like the zipper, so that's something that I do enjoy in these newer versions. This one does have a credit card slot on the inside of the pocket there. Right here, it does have a credit card slot right there, to where the 1941 version does not have that. So it's just some slight differences there, but the big thing is this pebbled leather. It's a lot more durable. This is going to age beautifully. The more you use it, the better it's going to look. I've seen the Willis from the 1941 collection being well loved, and I don't know, after a while it just kind of looks a little it goes through a stage to where like the lid, the front flap looks a little off because it's just a little wonky, but after the whole bag gets worn in, it is delicious. But I will say this is going to age definitely a lot better than the 1941 version with the hardware and the pebbled leather, and I absolutely love this. I'm justifying keeping both, especially getting this for about $100. How can you not? You know, it's good to have options. You know, this is going to be for a lot more maybe a dressed up look, and this will be a little bit more casual, a little bit more careless while wearing this and effortless. So I'm excited to have both, and plus I like to match hardware on a lot of my stuff. This does come with a crossbody strap, also in your pebbled leather there. Attaches to the back, and this is going to be super cute with some bag charms on it. There we are with the strap. Just connects in the back right there. I absolutely love it. This is not long enough for me, so you guys know I'm going to use my handy dandy extenders. If you guys are like me and these bags are normally too short for me, trust me, try these extenders. I'll link it in the video down below. You can get it on Amazon. Just click that link and it'll take you. The hardware matches. It looks like it came with the bag. It is beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this bag. I will catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.